Hello everyone and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video I'll be demonstrating how to convert kilometers to miles via Python. It's a very basic code line which you could learn. And yeah, so let's get straight into the video and open up Visual Studio Code. So once you've opened up Visual Studio Code, you'll need to, under your repo, I've explained that in another video, you can go ahead and watch that first if you don't know how to create a repo. But what you want to do is click the plus file button here, and you can call yours whatever you'd like. I'll call mine test, and make sure it's a .py because then it changes to a Python logo, and you hit enter. And now we're ready to write our Python code. And what I'll do along the video is kind of break up the coding lines, and I'll add comments so you guys could see what part of the code does what. So as to show you guys the first part, I will add taking kilometers input from user or from Abdi or from whoever, right? I'll just keep it as user for now. And so as you can see, this part of the code will just be concentrated on when the code gets run, the first question that Python asks will be please enter your value in kilometers, for example. So we'll just go straight into it. So kilometers space equals, and then we'll do a string called float, and then brackets open input, and then another open bracket, and then you do enter value in kilometers, right? So and then you do a hyphen space. So this is basically, this line will be the first question that you need to answer. So enter value in kilometers, and you would put your number here. You can change this text to wherever you'd like. It doesn't matter. You can write please enter your kilometer value here. That's also fine. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't change a single thing. So we'll go ahead and press enter. Now, so that part of the code is finished, where it asks you to enter your value in kilometers. Now, the second part is one of the most important parts, which is the conversion rate between kilometers and miles. So we'll go ahead and start that, and I'll just add a comment here just so you guys could see what this part of the code does. So conversion factor is actually short for, so it's conv underscore fac, and then space equals space. Now we need to go on the internet to find how much 1 kilometer is in miles, and that is the conversion rate. So just go into your browser and then go into Google and type in kilometer to miles, and then 1 kilometer is 0.621371, and you need to copy this number, but make sure that instead of the comma there's actually a dot. So if you run the code with the comma in this place, it won't work. So just take that out and put a full stop in there. So that's done. So that's our conversion right now. We've got our conversion between kilometer to miles. Now we need to calculate what miles is. So I'm going to add another comment, calculate miles. Then we hit enter, and what we'll do is miles is equal to kilometers, and then times conv underscore fac. And you guys are probably wondering, that's actually the conversion factor. So this is exactly right. So what it's doing here, our answer to miles will be kilometers times the conversion factor, which is 0.621371. So that's the conversion part of the code done now, and then we're just gonna go and do the last part, which is calculate miles. So that's okay, that's included actually. So we'll just do the print, so it's not that confusing for you guys. One of these bad boys, percentage 0.2 f kilometers is equal to percentage 0.2 f miles, and then you do a space percentage again, and then you open up one of these bad boys, kilometers, comma, miles. So what we've done here is, so we're printing out the answer, and that's 0.2f, which is the float, and that's number 2 there. Kilometers is equal to 0.2f, right? And that's then the answer in miles. You could change this text here again to wherever you want. It's exactly like up here. Please enter your kilometer value here. You can change that too, and you can change this as well. So let's go ahead and run this code for now. So what you want to do is highlight it all, and then right click and go down to run Python file in terminal. Then you click that, and as you can see here, please enter your kilometer value here, and that's exactly what this text states. So please enter your value here. So for the purpose of this video, let's say we'll add in a 10, and then I'll simply hit enter. And as you can see, it's showing me now 10 kilometers is equal to 6.21 miles. And as you can see, that it's equal to is right in there. So that's basically the charm, or the sweet spot of this code is you actually can see all your changes happening right in front of you. What we can do for the purpose of this video is we can start changing up these texts here. So we could say please add number here, and then we could say we could say miles is exactly, and then we can leave it as that, and we could run this code again, and then we need to right click, run Python file in terminal. And as you can see, please add number. Let's change to here. Please add number. Let's do this time 200. Well, let's do 2000. Let's see how quick this system is. And there you go. So 2000 kilometers is exactly 1,242 miles. So yeah, it's that simple. You could have a lot of fun with it, just to experiment the system and to kind of learn through the mistakes. Yeah, so I just thought I'd make a quick video, guys, showing you guys how to convert kilometers to miles via Visual Studio Code and Python. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be adding this code information right here in the comments of the video, so you guys could have a play around yourselves. Yeah, that's about it. See you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.